Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot just in few minutes for your business. I have created this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a query related to my business. So here I've opened my WhatsApp and I'm going to send a business related question. Can beginners use our service? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. If I receive the reply, then this is going to show us the AI agent which I have created is working fine. So here it's saying yes, beginners can use AlphaWest service. AlphaWest offers educational resources and advisory support designed for investors at different experience level. What's available for beginners? It has provided me a detailed reply. I'm going to ask another question. Which advisory plan is best for me and what exactly do I get with each plan? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. It has sent me a very detailed reply. I can help you pick the right plan. First, here are the exact features and pricing for each advisory plan. We have the starter plan, we have the premium, we have the professional plan, and then we have how to choose these plans and then the other recommendation. I'm going to ask a final question here. Can I get a portfolio review and speak directly with an advisor about my current investment? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. You see, whatever question I'm asking, it is giving me detailed reply based on the questions. So a very detailed reply for when I asked if I'm a beginner, then a very detailed reply about the plans and what I can choose, and then again a very detailed reply for this last question. So here it says AlphaWest provides portfolio review service under eligible advisory plans. So here are the details. If you provide these details, it is going to reply to me with the confirmation. So this is how my AI agent is working, and I have automated my WhatsApp conversation. You can create this too for your business. So let's start creating this from the beginning, step by step. So here in this video, just in minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your investors in stock market business. For this, first you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. You have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, you need to sign into your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. If you are a new user, click on sign up free, and this will give you some credits. You can use those credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, use this code SHUYT and get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Now here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. Here I've landed towards the all Pabbly apps page. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. I will be landed towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I will be able to find all the credits consumed, remaining and added. I can also see the WhatsApp number which I have added, and if you want to add your WhatsApp number, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect. This is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is again given in the description. You can check that out. Now on the left-hand side, we have this option of AI Assistant. Let's open this. Here I've landed towards the AI Assistant page. You can see the total AI Assistant, active AI Assistant, and the inactive AI Assistant. To create a new AI Assistant, we simply have to click on this Add AI Assistant, and I'll name it as WhatsApp AI Chatbot for investors and stock market clients, and then simply click on this Add AI Assistant. Here I've landed towards this page, and from here I'm going to start creating this AI assistant. The first one is AI instruction. So first I have to select the instruction type. You can see all the instructions which I have. I'm going to select it as AI agent, and according to the instruction type which I have selected, the instructions are added. You can enhance these instructions according to your requirement. Then we have this AI configuration, under which the first one is this temperature. Set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.8. The AI to use is OpenAI. Then the model will be GPT-5 mini. You can set this according to the requirement again, and then you have to enter the key under this API key. So if I click on the hyperlink given in the help desk, I will be landed towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project. The permission will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. After adding the key, you have to click on this update key. You will see OpenAI key saved successfully. So it is necessary that you add the key and click on this update key or connect the key. Then we have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, and whatever message you enter, it will start appearing. I do not require this, so I'm going to toggle this off for now. We have the stop keyword. So when the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, they can send the stop keyword. I'm going to enter that word and press enter. In this manner, I have added the stop keyword. You can enter any stop keyword as much as you want, and whenever the user sends this stop keyword, the AI agent will stop replying, or the matter will be escalated to human support. Then we have this retry attempt. So over here, when the AI agent is not responding or it fails to respond to the particular query, then the retry attempt is given. The valid range is 1 to 10. You can again set this according to the requirement. Then we have this fallback message. Now when the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to solve the queries or send the messages to the customers. It is when then this fallback message is sent. So I have entered a normal fallback message. What you can also do, add your contact details and the company information, such that if the queries are not resolved or the messages are not sent, at least the contact details of your company and the business will be sent to the customer. Then we have this knowledge source. I have selected as upload file. I have to click on this cloud, click on this add new file, click on this cloud again, and I'm going to go towards the downloads where I have already downloaded this file. So I'm going to select that file, and then I'm going to click on this open, and as soon as the file will be uploaded, I'm going to select that file and insert it like this. So you will see the file will be uploaded successfully. And if I open this particular file which I have created in my Google document, this is the file chatbot for investors in stock market. So this is the file which I have created, and I have downloaded this in .txt. So knowledge base for WhatsApp chatbot for investors and stock market clients. I have the business information, services offered, advisory plan. I have added all the plans: investor lead qualification, frequently asked questions, investment education, stock specific question, market updates, portfolio review, consultation booking, human advisor handoff, payment and subscription, safety, welcome message, lead conversion, message, chatbot, personality. So here I have added all the details. You have to create a very detailed knowledge base based on your business and the products and the service, and then you have to download this from here in .txt or .pdf format. If you are downloading in PDF, the limit is up to 10 pages only if the PDF has images. So moving on towards the next part, here we have the assistant interface. You can change the heading name. In the preview, you can see this is how your AI agent is going to appear in front of your customers. Then we have the header message. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it. If you want to remove it, you can do that. Then we have the messages. You can add 2 initial messages using which your AI agent is going to reply to the users. So I have not added anything. You can add hi there, how can I help you, something like that. So display by powered by Pabbly. Over here you can see it is toggled off. If you toggle this on, it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it toggled on. Then we have the footer text where I have added privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added link to privacy policy. Then the user first message I have added I need help, but it is not necessary that if the I need help is sent by the user only, then the AI agent is going to respond. It is going to respond based on any message. The final part here we have the styling. So over here I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and you can see it changing over here. I'm going to keep it as light only. Then we have this assistant shape from circle, square, rounded, square. You can select this according to the requirement. You can change the background color, text color, button color, chat bubble color. And then we have the header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can change this according to the requirement. After doing all this, you have to keep this AI assistant toggle on to send the messages, and you have to save this AI assistant. If you do not save this, the AI assistant details will be lost. And you can also embed this AI assistant to your website using this code, and whenever someone clicks on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next part here, I'm going to show you how you can assign this AI assistant to a particular group of contacts, to a particular contact, or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have the inbox. I'm going to open the inbox in a new tab. So over here I'm on my chat. I'm going to toggle on this choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant which I've just created, and save this. In this manner I've assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chats is very time consuming, and that's why what we can do, we can assign the AI assistant to a particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side we have the settings. I'm going to open inbox settings in a new tab. I've landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. I've kept this enable AI auto replies on. I have to select the list, select the AI assistant to that particular list, add more rules, select another list, select another AI assistant assistant to that particular list, add more rules, select another list, or select another AI assistant to another list. You see over here I have selected all the contacts and assigned this AI assistant to all the contacts. I have selected this list and selected this AI assistant for this list. So in this manner you can add more rules, create different contact list, or you can create all the contacts, or you can assign a particular AI assistant to all the contacts and save the rules. In this manner this will be assigned to this to this to this. So this is how we have created this AI assistant. Now if you have any doubts, you can comment on this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.